Hello, my name is Claudia. I'm excited and looking forward to the conference. We're going to be in the roundtable towards integration and unity through intrinsic religiosity or through the gospel of Jesucristo. Is it the same? It refers to that process of individuals or group achieving that cultural and social cohesion through that help personal religious belief. Integration, that ability to blend the one original culture of origin with the new environment while maintaining a strong sense of identity. Unity, that collective sense of belonging and connection. And intrinsic religiosity, ooh, that's a word, huh? That deeply internalized faith that guides behavior, shapes worldviews, and supports psychological resilience. And it's intrinsic within us rather than be practiced for external reasons. In this context, in therapy and immigrant population, intrinsic religiosity can play a key role in emotional adjustment and cultural adaptation. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about these acculturalization challenges that are faced by immigrant families, stages that we experience, and the role of religious belief in fostering belonging, resilience, and unity.